Snack time. And this is, what is it called? The rose petal soda? I want to try the rose petal. Oh, do I just like grab it?
You want to film?
Sure.
Alright, catch guys filming.
You can see yourself.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's like the Galaxy S. How do I get it out? Oh, it's like a potato chip.
Yeah, it's frozen.
But it's an actual edible rose petal. Is it delicious?
That is good. Oh, it smells like a rose.
Yeah.
Too. Oh, this is
Your
wonderful.
tasting smell. How do you feel?
I'm gonna cry. Rose tears.
Rose tears.
Bread?
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah?
I feel like there's a perfume in my mouth now.
It's some edible perfume. Michael.
What is this? A wild duck wing.
Firecracker.
Oh, firecracker. So is it spicy?
Yes, it has sriracha.
Oh, okay. Oh boy.
Isn't it? Girl.
Wow, that just melts in your mouth.
Wow.
It's so good.
Keep down with it.
Delicious.
Okay.
They're going to try the what is it? Ceviche? How is it? Oh, that face. That face.
Has like avocado.
Or your starters tasted so far.
It's delicious.
Okay.
Yeah. And last we have, this is the short rib raviolis,
Yes.
which look delicious. Oh my god! I want to eat it.
More stuff.
More stuff.
Veggies.
Cut this.
What is it?
A little help there with filming.
I think I got it.
Got it.
Oh, look at that. That looks beautiful.
It's too much.
Oh my god. Come in my mouth.
Ow.
What?
Ha, gross.
Dun, 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 dun.
Laurel.
Maybe for you.
That is really good.
It tastes like Leonardo DiCaprio. In the Greek acid.
So good.
Oh, purple mushroom.